I sat with my grandfather when he was about 80 years old. He was a widower at this time in a little row house in South Philadelphia. He sat by the window. He had trouble with his legs. He had trouble ambulating. He still went out to shop. He still went to synagogue, the little shul that I'll talk about. But he always had a classic pose. He sat in his armchair by the window looking out, smoking a cigar. There was never a time I didn't see Grandpa with a cigar. He always had cantorial music playing in the background. He had a collection of 78s, which he continued to listen to he lived into the 1990s until 97. And he never changed his records, and he listened to them. And I think he had secret wishes that he could have been a cantor, because he always sang at family events for us. Anyway, he's smoking his cigar. Next to him is either a gluzel of tea or a little schnapps. And schnapps figured big into my grandfather's life. Anytime I would come for a visit or to go into a celebration to shul, it was a requirement, more requirement for my grandfather, that I bring a bottle of Canadian Club, more so than whether I carried a tallis with me in a tallis bag. In fact, I think I carried the Canadian Club for the shul in my tallis bag, and that was the donation that they expected